I was gifted a bunch of wooden planes and I really want to renovate them and start using them. One of them was this. It's lacking both the blade and the piece that hold the blades fastened. To me it looks kind of in good shape. It's a bit worn here. There's no cracks that I can see. The bottom part is quite good. I'm gonna clean it out and then I'm gonna do the wooden peg, I can't remember the name, and the blade. I didn't want to scrape it all clean, I just wanted to remove the worst of the dirt. So that's why I'm left with this mark. Time for some beeswax. This side was the most uneven, so I'm gonna leave it for the bevel side. And this side I could make more even without taking away too much material. The actual edge will have a nice clean side for longer. The plane has a lean to the opening, so I had to grind this with a slight angle. So, time for the hardening. This time I'm skipping the normalizing before the hardening, since I did the normalizing before I did the grinding. I can play with it, but looking at it and working with it, I can see several mistakes in my design and my work. The first thing is that the backside of my blade is not actually touching the support, which means when I'm playing with it, it has some ability to flex, wiggle the wedge out. I should have researched better what faces were important. The blade is a bit wider than the base. I actually got the blade to be close enough to be supported. To sum it up, it does work better than I feared there for a while. I made quite rough cuts with it, which is probably my own incompetence. I didn't have a shoulder plane. Now I do have a shoulder plane with my own forged blade, which is just a thrill. I love that feeling. I think it's kinda cool. If you enjoyed the video, make one yourself. Make it better than I did. If you have any questions, ideas, something that I should explain more, comment them down below. If you have any thoughts for me or advice, then put them down below as well. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends if you feel like it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!